Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and in this one we will be talking about how to integrate and use Asana integration with HubSpot. So now before we get started, make sure to check out the link in the description of this video to get a 14-day free trial on HubSpot for yourself. And without further ado, let's just hop on to our tutorial. So how to connect HubSpot plus Asana. So we have a couple of steps in here. Make sure to check out till the end so you do not miss a single step. Okay, so first of all, you are going to be logging into your Asana and find project where you want to enable HubSpot widget. Click on customize in the upper right hand corner and then scroll down to the apps section, select add app, then select HubSpot. Then you're going to be simply clicking on add a project and follow the steps to connect HubSpot to Asana. Navigate to an Asana task. Link a deal or marketing email to task by clicking on Add HubSpot Deal Marketing Email button on HubSpot field at the top of the task details pane. Insert the URL for relevant HubSpot deal or email campaign. Then attach HubSpot details with details will appear as a widget in the task pane. And yeah, so here's how to set up Asana rules integrations with HubSpot as well. Simply head over to navigate to specific Asana project where you would like to add integration and click on customize in top right corner. Navigate to rules and select add rule. Select HubSpot. Either select a preset rule or click create custom rule. Then, if creating a custom rule, add a name and choose a trigger and action to get started. Authenticate by clicking connect to HubSpot and follow the steps. So yeah, this is the pretty simple process on how you can easily connect HubSpot with Asana, and I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to check out the link in the description of this video to get a 14-day free trial in HubSpot. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.